MeghalayaPost.news.
Bantem ya Jingïakynad apne kinong shishnong ka Maikhuli batna kishnong khaput ka Assam balami ke jing bor na jiwan Thung ka Assam State Electricity Board ya ki post electric sha kishnong Maikhuli bab Meghalaya ki bor Sinsar district riboy bat ka Kamrup district kila Thung sundanda committee na ka banta bantem mi kite Jingïakynad nang banwan ka sungsuk sungsan ha kite kishnong khapun kumban pen kamau ka ne Jingïakynad kalami ha kite kishnong khaput ka Meghalaya bat Assam ka dehadin bak Assam State Electricity Board lawan bantung ya artli ki post electric sha kishnong Maikhuli hak baki pajba nong shnong bat kashnong kila persya bakate ke jaka bawan Thung yak post electric kila hap hak kashnong Maikhuli hak jala Meghalaya bakren sikilat patai kubor udipti kimsnor garboy district meta kasing ulong bantem yak kite jingja hak kite kishnong kapon kamtam hak kashnong Maikhuli nagaliang kubor Sinsar district kala simkhya banikren bat ki bor district bat nag banta bantem yak kite Jingïakynad ki bakta yak sungsuk la Thung no da ka peace committee ba leng ba kene ka peace committee kini krasni na ka banta banonra yak sungsuk sungsan ki ba ha kite kishnong kapon
after yesterday's minor scuffle, the magistrate from our side, magistrate reached over there. From Assam side also, one ADC officer reached over there, and in the process to establish peace over there, they have established a peace committee which was already existing, but they have enforced it again, and they have requested people from both sides to nominate representatives for this peace committee. The idea is that the peace committee, which will have representatives from Assam side and Meghalaya side, will sit together and will discuss on the broad issues. And if whenever there will be any issue which might lead to any law and order situation or might lead to tensions, this peace committee will respond first and ensure that no situation whatsoever turn into a volatile or unpleasant situation. From our understanding, these electric posts were erected by APDCL in the area which fall under the area of difference between government of Assam and government of Meghalaya. As a result, we had requested a district administration, our counterpart, to maintain status quo. But nevertheless, by that time, APDCL had already erected 2 electric posts. Nevertheless, people got agitated because of the same, and yesterday we heard that some of the people from our area, they have removed the electric posts as per the reports received, as a result of which the tensions developed over that area.
MeghalayaPost.news.